to think about it, alright? Think about a name to name all these puppies. And we have another one. And we have a little playful girl. And this one is a Shiba Inu.
Shiba Inu.
Shiba Inu. Birthday girl, you want to see it first? Here you go. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
It's kind of scary. This one is a Yorkie poo.
What is that?
A Yorkie poo. It's a poodle mixed with a Yorkie. And here you go. I want you guys to help me make a circle.
Yeah, make a circle.
So the puppies don't go everywhere.
It's okay. You know my dog is
She's not gonna get jealous.
She's okay.
She's okay?
She's probably jealous, yes.
She's beautiful.
Where's Flika?
It's a cockapoo.
Flika, it's a cocker, English cocker.
Oh yeah.
Flika, where are you?
Okay, the next one is very.
You want to sit?
The next one is a Pigu. It's a Pekingese.
Flika's here.
Hey, that's his friend. That's why. The next one is a Pigu. It's a Pekingese mixed with a Beagle. He's very playful.
Lily, look at me.
Birthday girl. Here you go.
Oh.
Yeah, they miss his friend. They miss his friend.
Beagle.
A Pigu.
Beagle.
The next one, the last one is the Shih Tzu.
Oh, look at this one, Chloe. It's so cute. Look at me, Chloe. Play.
Can somebody hold him for me? Thank you. Come on. Oh, this one is the wildest. Come on. This one is a Shih Tzu. He's a boy. He's very playful. And here you go. Okay, we're gonna do some activities. I just want you guys to get to know the puppies, to touch them, feel how they are, see how playful they are, and then we're gonna do some activities. All right?